There you go, just for informational purpose, stock exhaust off the 2018 GT catback. Well, I mean, it did have the Stata X pipe on it with the stock exhaust. I took currently I'm getting ready for the NMRA this weekend for Bowling Green in my 16 car here. Of course, I'm running dumps straight off the headers, extremely loud. But so I got the exhaust off it, so I throwed it on the 18 just basically to see if it would bolt up, and it did. Right up, no problem. In case you're wondering who I'm tuned by, there you go. Actually, this car is tuned by him. Was at BMP, then he switched over to Lund, and so did I. When he switched over to Lund, I went to Lund also. So, but this is my 16. Anyways, also a little bit more information about this car on here. I do have the brake conversion kit, the bare brakes on it, and these are the 26 by 10, 50 by 15s. I do have the BMR springs on it, drag springs on the front and rear with a 0 camber. The reason why I can get away with that is because it's a 26-inch tire. Now if I was running a 28-inch tire, I would have to have a -1 camber, because what would happen if I run a 0 camber with the BMR drag springs and with a 0 camber, this tire, when I would gas on it, this fender would come down and hit the tire, and you'd have a groove. I'd have to make a groove right here, and also it would spider the paint. You know, that's not good. That's why you'll see people that's running the drag springs or the cars lowered, and they'll take and they'll run a -1 camber, and this tire will tuck inward. So when they gas on it, the rear end, when it squats, this fender will tuck the tire. Or the other option is to run the BMR drag springs in the front and keep your stock springs in the back. But me, I'm running a 26 because I have a 331 gear set. I'm an NA car. I don't need to run a 28. Now if I was boosted or nitrous or something like that, and I was launching off the line with nitrous, yeah, I would have a 28-inch tire. But I'm not. For me to get full potential out of my car on a 28, on a quarter mile or eighth mile, a 26-inch tire gives me the full potential. And I have no problem hooking at a 7,000 RPM dump with a 26-inch tire. Even on a 17-inch rim, I had no problem hooking. You know, that's getting a little bit technical. These are my slicks. I don't know about them here. My 17s. My M&H. I run these. Yeah, you can see that. 26 17s. 26 by 8.5 by 17s. I had no problem hooking on these. No problem at all. These are still really good. My biggest problem was I couldn't find a drag radial for a 26 on a 17-inch rim. So I done the 15-inch conversion, and that knocked that out no problem. Of course, here's a 28. I'm running a 28. Tool it all right here. My traveling toolkit here. 28. I put these 28s on this one right here. I ain't got very good light in here right now, but these are 28 Street RS on the 17-inch rim. I got a buddy of mine that's also going, and he didn't have nothing to run, so as you can tell, I got plenty of tires. So I throw these on here. I've got access to a tire machine. That's no problem. So I just throw them on there, balanced them. He's going to be running those. So we're going to try to get the full potential out of his car as much as possible as we can. Either way. So, but oh, something else I also did is I took the front sway bar out on my 16. I adjust my Viking shocks. I got rear Crusaders, and I did second gear and it would still want to wheel hop even on the bi-supply 26s. It's hitting second. It's putting the power to the ground, but it's hitting second. When I hit second, it's hitting it so hard it would still wheel hop a little bit. So I needed more weight to the rear. I needed my front end up to come up a little bit more. So more research I done. What I done is I just took the front sway bar out, which gave me that extra nose lift, and it also eliminated that. So now it's not doing that. So that's a good thing. Here's 18 bone stock currently, sorta, kinda, if you know what I mean. This is the downside about 16 exhaust on the 18. You know, they come with quad tips. If I decide to leave it on here, which actually I'm probably not going to, I'm gonna take it back off because I've been waiting on Borla attacks to come out. Actually, they just came out yesterday. I got an email on it. They just released 9 yesterday, or produced 9 yesterday. I don't know if they've even released them yet, but I know for a fact because I got an email from an inside guy there, but 9 of them was released yesterday, or made. But this is just a X-pipe with a roush muffler is all this is. This is a, let's see.